This is my first video from a long series of videos that I'm going to do here in Malmö, Sweden, where I actually moved to over the last few days. This is actually my first week, so I've been super busy going to back-to-back meetings and kind of meeting people and talking about the plan for 2019 season. And today I finally was able to get this little car picked up, and right now I'm actually coming from the customs. I just cleared my customs and got a big fat stamp, so that's all good. Didn't have to pay anything, so I'm super excited to go and pick up my stuff.